most common leak in shingle roofs is definitely in people's bathrooms. And what happens is there is a plumbing pipe that sticks through your roof, typically above where every bathroom is. Sometimes they will tie multiple bathrooms into one. But what that pipe does is when you flush your toilet, from my understanding, it allows air into the plumbing system that allows the toilet to breathe to flush. About every 10 to 15 years, the neoprene pipe boot that goes around your plumbing jacks, they rot out right where the PVC pipe or the galvanized pipe meets the boot. And it's similar to the rubber grommets on metal roofs. They're strong and they're very flexible at the beginning. But when you have something neoprene that's directly in the sun for a long time, it makes it brittle, and it basically deteriorates it or cracks it or rots it. So if we looked at your roof after 5 years or 10 years of the install and the boot on there looked perfectly fine, we may just put some silicone around it. But if it looked like it was deteriorating at all, we could either replace the boot entirely, or they make a retrofit boot that you actually keep the existing pipe jack, woven into the shingles, and we just get a retrofit. It's almost like a rubber neoprene collar, go over the plumbing pipe on the house and put that over the existing pipe boot, and we don't even have to alter any of the shingles.